I welcome all of you on platform of Yourpedia Education, and on this platform you are getting the recent updates, latest informations about various career related opportunities, whether it is admissions in higher education institutes like IITs, NITs, ISCs, triple ITs, foreign universities, or it is related to your jobs through PSUs, jobs through private sector, iPaid. So entire career domain is covered on Yourpedia Education. Now in that line, I'm going to answer a query to one of your very relevant query. Last year, because of COVID, COVID shutdown last year was imposed in March. Now the same time is coming. I'm not saying the same shutdown is coming. I'm saying after 1 year, what is the situation after 1 year? Are IITs going to have offline semesters or not? We are not very clear. But one thing is looking obvious, that interviews in various IITs maybe online also. How do I know that? Because the first IIT which has come for early admission, that is in Feb itself, that is IIT Gandhinagar for certain courses, and they have written on their website that this year also the interview are going to be online. So do we have advantage for online interviews or not? Answer is there is some advantage, because you can apply in many places and you can face many interviews. Physically you cannot go to all the places. Like in a single day you can go for interview of Gandhinagar also and Bombay also or Delhi also, because online hona hai, ghar baith ke you can go for that interview. But physically, if you want to go, earlier I used to know that students are getting opportunities in 3-4 IITs. Physically they cannot go to all IITs, so opportunities are more. And if you apply more places, you get more opportunities. But there is little difference between online and offline interviews, and you must watch the interviews uploaded on Yourpedia channel. Online interviews mein aapko how do you need to practice. And my advice is, now you have got the gate score and all, now you should practice a lot. And unless until you practice, interview is also a skill. Like test series आप practice करके जाते हो तभी test आपका written में score improve होता है. Practice is important. Similarly interview is a skill which comes with the practice. Interview GD you need to practice. तो online का practice करो. Yourpedia is the platform where you can learn all these things, and then yes, prepare well. But again, the interviews what we expect this season, coming season, are going to be online again as per IIT Gandhinagar. Keep preparing. I'm expecting some offline interviews also in IITs, maybe towards the end of May or something. But yes, prepare for online as of now, so that we can convert our gate score into career. All the best.